Hi there, this is Dave from BRMB Mapbooks, and today I'm going to give a quick demonstration of how to use the various types of search from within our map interface. So to start off, I'm going to click on the magnifying glass in the top left-hand corner. So this brings up a search dialog. This search is a combination of Mapbox sources as well as BRMB sources. So when I say Mapbox sources, it is able to search for things like street addresses. So I'll type in an example of street address. So this was powered by Mapbox. It also has the ability to search for some of the BRMB adventure features, and you can help differentiate which ones are Mapbox results and which ones are BRMB results based on the icons that show up. The ones with the icons are the BRMB adventures. So clicking on the adventure, it will turn on the POI that you're interested in. And again, you can click on that and get the information on the left-hand side. So this search is great, but it has only a very limited number of features that it can provide. So you can see it has about 5 to 10 results depending on what you're searching for. But if you'd like to do a more powerful search, we offer an advanced search under the trip planning menu. So if I hide this, trip planning, and click on search, here we have another search tool. So again, I'll type in Coquitlam, and you can see it's searching for features by name. So this search is limited to BRMB adventure features and land and water features only. So it doesn't have any of the street addresses that were powered by Mapbox. But the advantage of this is that it can search for any BRMB feature across Canada by name. So as you see, this has provided a much larger list of features from within our data that have the name Coquitlam in their name. So in order to help filter through some of these search results, you are able to click on the filter search by down arrow, and then it'll bring up these dynamic drop-down menus. So for example, if I were to go for BC, now all of the features are limited to BC. And then if I were to pick a category, so I can pick wildlife adventures, now you can see there's only this one result. If I were to set it back to something like trail adventures, now you can see all the different trails that exist within that have Coquitlam within their name. And then if you want to do the finest level of detail, you can filter it by the subcategory. So I will go multi-use trails, and that will limit it to just these 3 features. So once you find the feature that you're interested in, you can simply click on the magnifying glass, and that will take you to that location on the map. So this tool on the right is a great tool for finding any BRMB feature, whether that be an adventure POI or whether it be land or water feature. So you can search for cities, you can search for towns, things like mountain peaks, glacier names, all sorts of information like that. So I think that covers the 2 different types of search. We have the quicker search in the top left, and then we have the more advanced trip planning search on the right. Thank you very much.